I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off your Facebook Messenger Memories notifications on your iPhone, iPad, or Android. Step 1. Open the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your Messenger home screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon at the top of the screen. A menu opens. Step 3. Tap the settings icon in this menu. The settings screen is displayed. Step 4. Scroll down this menu and then click Memories in this list. You'll land on the Facebook Memories screen. Step 5. Tap to toggle off notifications. Going forward, you'll no longer receive Facebook Messenger Memories notifications on your mobile device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.